Hello students, I'm starting chapter 4, class 10th mathematics. This is first video of quadratic equation. In this chapter, we will learn how to express real life situation mathematically. And the expression of mathematics is called equation. So here I begin. Introduction to quadratic equation. See, in chapter 2, we have done polynomials. On the basis of degree, polynomials are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial, etc. Now we will understand quadratic polynomials and quadratic equation. First of all, quadratic means whose degree is 2. And if it is a polynomial or equation, how it is different from one another. See, here I am writing the standard form of a quadratic polynomial. First polynomial we are talking about. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Because if a is equal to 0, then this first term, it will become 0 and the remaining term will be linear polynomial. Therefore, a should not be 0 in the quadratic polynomial. And this is the example. 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is the example of a quadratic polynomial. Now I am writing the standard form of a quadratic equation. Earlier it was polynomial, now it is equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Same, only difference is equal to 0. Now in equation, equal to sign should be there. If there is no equal to sign, only expression is called polynomial. So ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial. And if we equate it with something, say a number or a digit or any fixed value, it will become equation. I'm giving you one example. See, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is an equation. Now, real life situation, like in our day-to-day life, we go to market, we go to school, where we have to do some calculations while dealing with people. We need to do some calculation in our mind, or maybe a paper is required to write and do the calculation so that we can pay money or we can do some dealing. For this real life situation, we need to write that real life situation in mathematical expression. That mathematical expression is called equation. So equation can be linear equation, equation can be quadratic equation. In this chapter, we will see some situations from our book which mathematically express as quadratic equation. So see one example. This is example number 1. John and Janvanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and product of the number of marbles they now have is 124 rupees. 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So let's see the solution. Let the John had X marbles in the beginning and Janvanti had 45 minus X marbles. Means in total, both of them are having 45 marbles. So if John is having X, then obviously Janvanti has 45 minus X marble, because in total they have 45. 5 marbles are lost for both. So 5 are lost by John and 5 are lost by Janvanti. So the new number of marbles they have is, John has X minus 5 marbles and Janvanti had 45 minus X minus 5, that is 40 minus X marbles. Now according to this, we will say that the product, the new marble, the number of marbles now they have is, their product is 140, 124. It is given in the question. So I'm writing it equal to this. See, product of this two means X minus 5 into 40 minus X is equal to 124. Now I'm multiplying X with 40. It is 40X. Then minus 5 with 40, it will become 200. Minus 5 with minus X, it will become 5X. And X with x with x, it will become minus x square. See, you know how to multiply these two factors, multiply and see. This is the expression. Now convert it into standard form. 40x plus 5x will become 45x minus x square plus minus 200, and it 124 is coming this side, it will become minus 124 is equal to 0. Now minus x square plus 45x, 200 plus 124, it is minus 324. This is the quadratic equation, and we can take minus common. It will become x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So this we can say the situation given in example number 1 is written in mathematical expression, say quadratic equation. So this is mathematical representation of example number 1. Given situation is example number 1. Now we will solve it. In the same chapter we will learn how to solve it. Now it is clear to you how to express a situation into mathematical expression. See one more example. This is example number 2. Check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. I'm doing part 1 for you. Example 2, part 1. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. This is the equation given. Now it is not given in the standard form. So first of all we need to convert it into standard form. Then only we can say it's a quadratic equation or it's a linear equation. Now it is appearing that it has degree 2. Maybe at the time of converting it to standard form, degree is changed. So let's see. Solution is, this is the given equation. Let me write this given equation for you. Now x minus 2 whole square, this identity you already know. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this identity I'm using here, this is the standard form, and you need to convert the given expression into standard form. This standard form is this, say x square plus 2 square is 4 minus 2 into x into 2, that is minus 4x. So this is the identity, this identity I have used, and plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. I'm again writing it for you. Now 4 plus 1 will become 5. So here I have written 5. X square plus 5 minus 4x is equal to 2x minus 3. This 2x will come this side. It will become minus 2x, and this 3 minus 3 will also go that side. It will become plus 3. I'm writing it for you. X square minus 4x minus 2x plus 5. This 5 I have written here, and 3 is plus 3 here, equal to 0. Now 5 plus 3 will become 8, and minus 4x minus 2x will become minus 6x. I'm writing it for you. X square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. It is in standard form. So this expression is now written as quadratic equation in standard form. We can say yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so before converting it to standard form, we cannot say it is quadratic equation or not. I'm doing one more example for you for the same. It is example number 2 again. Check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. This is part 4 I'm doing for you. Here cube is given. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. So if I look at this equation, power 3 is coming. But I told you that if it is not written in standard form, we cannot say it's cubic equation. First we need to convert it into standard form, then we will decide it's quadratic equation or not. Let me write the solution for you. The given equation is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. Now you know the identity x a plus b whole cube. So first of all we will write the identity a plus b whole cube to convert it into standard form. And you know the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. In this standard form, if you want to convert, then you must know the identity also. What is that identity? I'm writing it for you. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. This identity I'm using. See, I'm writing it for you. X cube plus 2 cube, that is 8, plus 3 into 2x. 3 into 2 into x will become 6x into x plus 2. So this is the identity I have used, is equal to x cube minus 4. Now again I'll multiply 6x inside the bracket. X cube plus 8 plus 6x into x will become x square, and 6x into 2 will become 12x is equal to x cube minus 4. Now this x cube is cancelled with this x cube, because it will come this side and it will become minus x cube. Now I'm doing the next step. 8 plus 6x square plus 12x minus is equal to minus 4. Now this minus 4 will come this side, it will become plus 4, and 8 plus 4 will become 12. So 6x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 12 plus 4. 6x square plus 12x plus 12. Now 8 plus 4 is becoming 12. So now it is in the standard form. And we can take 6 common also. Let's take 6 common. Now x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0 upon 6. 0 upon 6 will remain 0 only. So no need to write this upon 6. Yes, the given equation is a quadratic equation. So in the question it was appearing it will become cubic equation. But x cube is cancelled. So the result is showing that it is a quadratic equation. In this way, we need to convert it into standard form first. Then we will decide it's a cubic equation or quadratic equation or what is that. Now, on the basis of this video, that is part 1, you finish exercise 4.1. And in the next video, you will learn factorization method and you will do exercise 4.2 on the basis of a factorization method. So today we have done example 1, example 2, two parts of example 2, that is first and fourth. Now in the coming video, you will see the base of exercise 4.2. Thank you.